Today I'm gonna show you how to make ink pop-up transition on Capcut. So without wasting time, let's start. Open Capcut and add your clips. I have 2 clips here and I want to make my edit with these clips. Also, you can add every clip you want. In this tutorial we use an overlay, and that overlay is on my Telegram channel. Go to first video and go to speed, curve, and after that make something like a slow in the end, just like me. Now you have a clip like this. Now go to overlay and add this overlay that I put in my Telegram channel. Now go to cutout, chroma key, and select the blue part and remove it like me. Now export the video, back again, and delete everything but not the last clip. Now add that video you exported. Make it overlay. Now add a picture. Doesn't matter what a picture, just add a picture from your gallery. Now go to your overlay video and remove green part like me. this is the result, guys. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.